Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss update from Footprints.
Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Medhavini and today we'll be learning a concept of in and out in a very fun activity. You can do this activity anywhere, either in your room or outside of your house. As Footprints, we follow a high scope curriculum for better learning, and in this activity we will be learning the concept of in and out. This activity also helps us in numbers and counting. I'll tell you about all this activity. Now let's get started with the activity. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for the future notifications. Let's begin with our activity. So the materials required for this activity will be pom-pom balls, a masking tape, a spatula and a scissor. Here I am using my scissors. You can use a child-friendly scissor. And if you don't have these materials, you can also use small balls instead of pom-pom balls and a bat instead of the spatula. So let's start with the activity. Now let's see how this activity will be done. First of all, make a square with the masking tape.
Are you looking for the best preschool and daycare near you? Visit Footprints and explore the program suitable for your child. Find the program links in the description box.
So now, here I have taken the pom-pom balls and a spatula. So now, we'll put the pom-pom balls in the square. As here we are learning a concept of in and out, so we'll be picking the pom-pom balls with our spatula from the square and we'll put it out of the square. So I have taken another pom-pom ball which was in the square and now I'll put it out of the square. See, I am doing this activity with only green colors first. You can choose whichever color you want to do first. So first I'll put all the pom-pom balls of green colors out of the square. Now I want to do this with a blue color. So I'll put all the blue colors which are in the square. I'll put them out of the square. We'll do this till all the pom-pom balls are out of the square. Okay, so now I'll pick the yellow color. Okay, so you know which color's fruit is the yellow. It's the mango. Do you love mango? See, I have put the yellow color out of the square. Now which all colors are left in the square? One is orange. Which fruit is this? It's the orange. Let's put all the orange colors out of the square. Now I'll do the pink. Now only one color is left. Which one is this? Is this a purple color? Now we have done with our activity. What did we learn with this activity? That we put all the pom-pom balls which were in the square to out of the square. So this was the concept of in and out. Try doing this activity and let us know how it was. Did you enjoy this activity? If this video was helpful, do like the video, share it and don't forget to subscribe to Footprints. See you again in the next video. Till then, enjoy this amazing activity.